Oh, it's raining gifts from the sky. It seems to be the new car thermal camera, Infiray NV2. Let's open it. Installing the system to car is very fast. You just plug in the cables. The above cable is camera cable and the below cable is going to the cigarette plug. The plug is looking like this. Then you just put it there and wait while the system starts. Then I try to take my light off. Alright. The screen is looking like this. You can just pop it up and down, and it has this kind of letter style Infiray clip that you can hold when pulling the screen up here. And it doesn't have screen brightness yet. I hope there is coming a update for that, because it's pretty light and shining to the eyes while driving in the total darkness. Then there is volume buttons, up, down and power off. And when you push these two around 2 seconds, it starts the heater for the camera lens, and that is working very well when it's like freezing or raining, that kind of icy stuff to the camera. It will heat it very fast and the image is again very good. At the moment it has been -19 Celsius while I have been testing this, and it has been working very well. The AI technology is nice. It alerts, but it doesn't alert from very far away. It's useful when you are driving at city around 40 kilometers per hour, but on faster speed it doesn't alert in time if you really want to react to something. Okay, I will show how the wires go all around through the door to outside and the installation on the front. I will just cover my register plate with the plastic bag And here we have the mount. It's this black thing here. I screwed it through the plastic part of the car here. It has been staying there nicely now. The camera is here on the center. Heating is working and the lens is clear. On the days when it's like water on the road, you need to clear it manually, of course, but on these winter days it's very nice and doesn't get dirty very easily. Then the cable is going behind there through the grill, and I took it now between here through the door all the way to the screen. Let's get back to the car. I've tried to put the unit also to here. Just a moment here. And this is also a nice spot, but you of course cannot see the alarms if they pop up behind the screen. Even here the screen is really bright. It's shining the eyes and you need to turn it down a bit, but then you cannot see the screen very well. But yes, about the camera quality, image is very good. I don't know, would I need a bigger screen for this or not? Because when I'm looking at it from this distance, it's okay. But if I put it back up here, then it's a little far away. And it's very annoying to change your direction of your eyes to right and watch the image. It's much more easier here. So if your car has that kind of this part that goes more higher up, you can actually put this behind and you have the screen right here, then that may work. The thermal image showing very well all the things that I want to see. The pumps there, they are heated. There's a car, it recognizes it. It's far away, it's green. Then there's yellow and red boxes around the car when they are closer. I will change to some other spot so I can show that now. Here we have a truck coming. And the unit has a micro SD card slot and also it included the SD card, but I tried to get some videos out of there, but it just saves the videos in a very weird format, so it was impossible to do yet. Camera can be also used to check out buildings if they are leaking some heat. And here we can see that the windows are warm.